Hello all, and welcome to the first video of the second section called Dive into NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit. Now that we get familiar with NLP, what it means, its libraries in some of the real-world applications and user scenarios, it's time for the practical part of the course. We will start by discovering and applying some common NLP tasks. Of course, using NLTK as a library and Python as a programming language. The first task we will talk about is tokenization. To tokenize a piece of text or to get the tokens out of a text is the process of breaking it up into smaller individual words or sentences known as tokens. By definition, a token is the outcome of whatever was spread up based on some set of rules. Every word is a token if a sentence is tokenized. A sentence can also be a token if we tokenize sentences out of an article. Let's check out how it works. First, we can start by opening up PyCharm Community Edition, and as you can see here, I've created a new project called NLTK Tasks. And you can do the same by clicking on File, New Project, and typing here the name of the project. And as you can see, I'm using Python 3.7. Let's create a file, a Python file called preprocessing. The next thing we need to do is create a configuration. So let's click on Add Configuration, click on this plus sign here, Python, click here, and then add the path to our project. And let's select preprocessing.py. Click on Apply and OK. The next thing is installing NLTK. So let's click on File, Settings for New Projects, select Python 3.7, and make sure to select the interpreter or the Python version you are using for your project. Click on this plus sign here and type in NLTK. Select this one, NLTK, and click on Install Package. Now as you can see here, it's blue because I have already installed it for Python 3.7 interpreter. And let's start coding by importing NLTK. As we said before, NLTK comes with a bunch of corpora and already trained models. So let's download some corpora so that we can work with it. To do that, we type in nltk.download.gui and let's run our program. And once we run NLTK download, you can see here this GUI for NLTK downloader. It has collections, corpora, models, and if you want to download all the packages. And as you can see here, for my case, everything is green, which means I have downloaded or installed everything. Please make sure to download brown corpora and also ABC, because we will use them later. Here also, we have collections, like if you want to download all the corpora, all NLTK, the popular ones, and also the things covered from nltk.com tutorial book. And if you want to check where NLTK downloads all the data or all the corpora, you can go to this directory here. Now let's stop it. Let's remove this line and let's start with sentence tokenization. But before we start tokenizing text, let's add a piece of text. So we create a variable called text and let's paste all of this data into it. So here, this text, I got it from NLTK corpora. This text, I got it from NLTK corpora. So let's import a sentence tokenizer. So from NLTK, import send-tokenize. After that, let's tokenize our text. So we create a variable called sentences, and we use send-tokenize with text as a variable. Let's print out the original text on the input and also how many sentences we could have extracted from it. So let's run it and see the result. We can see that we have extracted 7 sentences out from the text we started with. Now let's print out each individual sentence. Let's run it again. Here we have initialized a counter starting from 0, and we print in the number of the sentence and also the sentence itself. Here, as you can see, the first one starts with scientists have discovered, ends up with in fighting other microorganisms, the other one with the Australian and the German researchers, etc. Now, let's move on to word tokenization. To tokenize words, we need to import another tokenizer. So from NLTK, let's import word tokenize. And let's do the same. So we create words, which is a variable to contain all the words we could extract. Let's also output the original text. Let's say words here. And also here the length of words. And for every word in words, let's output it with its number. Let's run it again. In here, as you can see, we could have extracted 168 words from the text we started with in the beginning. But there is one thing that you might notice, is that we have commas, we have non-meaningful words or words that add nothing to the meaning of the text, like the, and, it, and we also here have a dot and it's counted as a word. All of these, we're gonna see how to clean them up from our original text